What can you tell us about the cannon?
6 3/4 bore, 7/8 solid wall pipe. Shoots golf balls like there's no tomorrow. It runs off of a 209 muzzleloader primer, or you can put a fuse in it. I'm going to prime it up right now and shoot it. This is just with a wad for effect.
So what's the charge in this?
This is approximately 500 grains of 3F black powder.
Here we go.
Are we ready?
Yep. Action.
Somebody sprung.
Now let us go.
Get a little feed into it there.
Talk to us.
No, just pull.